Hello, my friends, how are you all? Today I am talking about one special news is there they call ADP employment rate. It's very good news for the trading. Some trader avoid this news, some trader achieve this news. This news is very effectively around for them. I am thinking 500 to 300 pips they will give you. So today we will see what's happened. This news came in UAE time zone is 4:30. So we will see 4:30 what happened in the market. So basically I will tell you already levels, but I will show you something where the market go and why I'm says good. So how you trade, these three things I will tell you. First of all, we give our chart. This level, the cow, this for the my side, this is my key level I give you. When the market came 1.24500, you can sell. Now seriously guys, I'm very happy about that. I have a lots of very intelligent students. They're doing like that. When the market reach this price, they sell and they take 20 to 25 saves and out. When the again market reach this price, they take trade, sell and take 21. Now the market, see how much they give you sound directly down. Approximately I think 90 100 pips approximately they will give you 100 pips in 5 to 15-minute chart frame. They give you 100 pips is very nice. So this is very powerful level. They still valid or not valid, I will tell you later, no issue. First we are talking about the finish already. Now we are talking about the what happened after 4 hours when the market news came. Okay, actually this is a chart. There is the double bottom, this GBP pairs. Why I'm analyze mostly GBP because GBP is very high volatile pair. If their pair is effectively very strong and movely and very volatile, so other pairs also volatile movement. So that's why I'm just separate. I'm not taking a separate any pair. I just analyze only one. Euro USD, you can see already crush. See, they came for the strong support level weekly. Is very good level, and I already gave you 1 2. I think you already reached this and this term. This all charts I share to my Telegram groups, and some people don't like to copy signals and some people don't like to follow the signals, so they just see the chart and trade as well. And some people are don't have time for the looking chart, so they trade copy signal. So I have a bot service and I'm bot provide for the free of cost. I just put my link in description below. You can see, you can join us, and I hope you when you join you must say you must learn many things about me, because I teach people free of cost, and my trading view, my trading style is very different. It's aggressive and the long term also. I have a both quality, so that's why. So let's start about the what happened market. So guys, when the let's check. Okay, so news came. There is 615 is UAE 415. So you can see there is previous price 27k and the forecasting 20,000k is huge. is huge. So mostly people think the actual price also of course is communicative, but what I'm saying is negative, but market not going to positive direction. Why? Because the USD have a strong power right now, the currency have a lots of power right now. USD very high profile for the right now, at now, because of, if I seen if I seen USD dollar index, I will tell you, see this, see this, they have a very strong actual, they showing to unemployment forecasting 20k, 20,000 k, but they have a still power. You can see the USD bullish, one two, they bang 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 every time. Now why I'm saying the market must be cool, all peers are down. If negative is news is positive or negative, it doesn't matter for my idea, because if I watch out daily time frame candles, so I will see what happened. So I will see daily time frame candles, there I have a very good support, very good support, they not break out still. This is a support key level, sorry, this is called trend line, and this one I will take it, change the color also. See, this is very strong key level, and if I check the monthly, so you can see there's also near to support. So my idea, they easily broke it, and the other countries not have a very good powers right now, so they will broke it easily, and they have approximately 108 and 107. Maybe the news is negative, dollar little bit weak, so it will come down further here, for here or here, here and here, but they have a still buy zone, dollar are still in a buy zone. Why I am saying, because I see this, and I can see this also. If you see the daily time frame, they break out this channel, so you can see like that, it's very easy for you. Now what happened, maybe they will came here, and they came here, and they going to fly 103 or 106. Why 106 I say? The 106 is, I'm saying, because they already touched, maybe they start to recover this all tail what they showing, and they break easily, they have lots of support. So USD have a very good power right now, so I can expect this, the all currencies give you more lows for today. Euro USD give you more lows, more than 500 pips, 300 pips, and the GBP USD also give you more low. See, I already ready for this. When I already trade, active my trade, you can see 1 2 is there, the small lot size, maybe I will close or wait. I already open to here, Yeah, few trades I already closed it. So well, let's see what happen. If you want to trade, so I will give you still thing you can analyze this and this. If market pushing 1.24999 buy, the cross to buy, you can buy it. Don't worry about that. Enter with good lots, and because market start with rush and you see the market returns like that, and like that they say you return reversal, so you can close your buy and prepare your mind for the sale. Maybe the market behave like that, yeah, this doing push and the market more push like that. So be aware. If you don't have a good capital, so don't trade, just watch the market. And you have a good capital, so you can enter very, if you have 1,000 and a $10,000 account, so you can enter 0.01, because 0.01 is, I know this is not meaningful, but you can see your trade level. When you enter one, then you can suddenly 0.10 10 to 15 like scalping, you can enter it easily. It's very good chance for today. And when is less than 2.4500, and the 2.250 is also the sale level, so you can easily cross the high lots. The sale size, it will come 1.18 and 1.19. Thanks for your watching. Must subscribe my link. Thank you so much for the watching. Please support and share. Thank you.